Namaste to all. Here I am with a new video relating to introduction of cost accounting system. And in this video, we are going to discuss the elements of good cost accounting system are essential elements which are considered for installing a good cost accounting system. He may ask in different way. So elements of good cost accounting system are essentials of good cost accounting system. Essentials he will say. Okay, whether you will say essentials or uh, elements of good cost accounting system, this is only the answer. So let us see the answer one by one point. The cost accounting system should be simple and customized to meet the business requirement. It should be tailor made. Whatever requirement is there, according to that cost accounting system should be there. Okay, so next, the method of cost accounting should be suitable to the industry and serve its purpose. Suppose you are doing contract business. So accounting method also should be according to the nature of the business. Suppose I am doing the preparation of oil. Okay, I am making oil from the coconut. So from the copra, from the copra, I am refining and I am getting coconut oil. Okay, so this is a of process costing nature. Business is of processing. So for crushing the copra, one process. From there, uh, it will be yeah, that output after crushing will be transferred to the next process of refining. Okay, in refining oil will be refined and we will get the oil. And nowadays people are more health cautious and beauty cautious, so people are thinking about uh, to have lesser hair fall. So coconut oil with aloe vera is available, plain coconut oil also available. Okay, different types. So to the refined oil there may be inclusion of aloe vera or plain coconut oil, or it may be of any ayurvedic type. Okay, any ayurvedic type of oil. So nature of business, depending upon the nature of business suitable to the industry, cost accounting method should be there. So I should use process costing here. Okay, depending upon the nature of the business. If it is of job nature, so I will go for job nature of accounting. So that is what they are saying. Okay, this is revision purpose, I can't explain in detail now each and every point. So and you people also very cautious about your exams, so here point by point detailed discussion may not be possible, please understand. The system should be considered the organizational structure of the business, and it should be designed or subsystem of overall organization. There must be proper coordination among all departments, divisions in the organization. Suppose there are, I am making different products. Okay, of say biscuits. Okay, my company is of making biscuits, cookies, and other things I am making. So different types of uh, flavors or different types of uh, like marigold, one biscuit is there. Okay, for that one department is there. For dream cream, okay, like that, if any biscuit is there, for that other area, hide and seek. Okay, hide and seek के लिए अलग डिपार्टमेंट. different department wise it is. So system should be considered organizational structure of the business, and it should be design sub design. Okay, just like Parley, biscuit section is there, confectionery section is there. So chocolate confectionery comes under one department and biscuits comes under other departments. So there must be proper coordination between the among all departments and divisions of the organization. That is what they are saying for the cost accounting purpose. Cost of versus benefits, where the cost of installing such system should justify by results and performance. आप कास्ट अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं बट बेनिफिट डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम दैट सिस्टम शुड बी मोर देन दी कास्ट इंकर्ड. वो कास्ट ज़्यादा हो रहा, ओके, कंपेयर to the income which you are generating. Okay, so installing cost accounting system may not be justifiable. So benefits and cost of installing such system should be compared. That is what they are saying. Okay, next, the system should be effective and efficient to take up all essential details and eliminate unnecessary items and details. So whatever essential details are required, those should be considered, and unnecessary information should be avoided in the process of accounting the in cost accounting system. Okay, details which are not required should be eliminated. The system should be receive full cooperation and participation of executives of all departments. Okay, from all departments who are participating in the operations in the business should cooperate with the accounting system, cost accounting system. Okay, so that it will be easy for the accounting purpose also. So this is one of the point. Let us see few more points are there. One is preferable there should be an integral relationship between cost accounting system and financial accounting system, otherwise unnecessary duplication will occur. A single integrated accounting system should be ideal one. The difference between, there will be difference between financial information and cost information. So if we maintain integrated cost accounting system, okay, integrated accounting system, it would be better because financial information will be same as of cost information some items. Okay, cost accounting system and financial accounting system, two are there. If you follow two accountings, okay, unnecessarily duplication of information will be there. That is why a integrated accounting system will be maintained, which you are having in the PG level, how integral non-integral accounting system will be maintained. So both together if we maintain, it will be better. That is what the ideal thing they are saying. Next, the cost accounting should be able to, okay, ensure following things. One, overheads are collected, accumulated, and absorbed reasonably. Okay, there should not be any under absorption and over absorption. So overheads should be collected properly and accumulated properly and should be absorbed reasonably. That is what they are saying. Okay, next, proper recording of workers time, their wages, wage cost should be determined. Okay, proper recording of workers time, their wages, wage cost should be determined from the wage analysis sheet. Just like job, in job costing you may see X is a employee who is working for a job 10 hours and he is paid at 2.5 rupees per hour. Why another employee who is working 8 hours and he is paid 3 rupees per hour, like this information will be there. So we should see timekeeping and time booking, two things will be there. Timekeeping is imply how they, at what time they are arriving, at what time they are leaving, that is timekeeping. Time booking is for particular task how much time he has spent, that should also be accounted. So these details should be accounted properly, that is what they are saying. Factors like idle time, overtime, holiday pay need to be properly recorded and costed, so that if any wastage is there, that should be eliminated. So idle time should be recorded. Okay, able to provide, okay, cost accounting system should able to provide checks on ordering, receipts, stocking, issuing and recording of materials, and that pricing of methods and issue of material should be efficient. So ordering, stock levels are there na, receipt, stocking, issuing, there should not be excess stock in closing stock, so that inventory cost should be at low. And material handling systems and controlling the material through ABC analysis, weight analysis, just in time, these are different methods for controlling the inventory, those all should be considered, that is what they are saying. And material price methods like FIFO, LIFO, weighted average, simple average, okay, specific cost method, base stock method, different are there, should be followed properly, that is what accounting, cost accounting, installing a good cost accounting should consider these things. That is the, here ends the revision of this question. So might be little bit faster, you should learn the things like this only. For the exam purpose, revision purpose, it should be like only. So this is one of the important question which will be asked in exam, like essentials of installing good cost accounting system, are elements of good cost accounting system, procedure for installing cost accounting system, are points to be considered while installing a cost accounting system. They will ask, you may be having some other textbook, you can learn from there also, same points will be there, terminology will be differs. So hope you understood the answer. In the description I'll put the information relating to the notes, you can take it from there. And as this is the time for you to manage the time effectively, okay, I am saying you all, see, whatever time you have should manage properly, okay, whatever time left, manage it properly, divide it for the subjects left. Suppose you are having 3 subjects from now on, you okay, till now not yet completed, don't get panic, okay, cost accounting is there, BILA is there, if anyone didn't touch web, okay, don't worry, use this time properly, okay. Total we are having human beings 24 hours, you put 8 hours aside for the sleeping, okay, then also you will be having 16 more hours if you put sleeping time aside, okay. From this also, if you put 4 hours, okay, for the other things, eating and other things, if you take out, okay, then also you are having 10 hours, okay, 3 hours in the morning, okay, uh, you give morning time, you give for business law 3 hours, 4 hours daytime you give for casting, and in the evening 3 hours you give for web, so that whatever leftover will be there, that can be managed easily. So divide the time and properly manage it, okay. अभी वीडियो ज़्यादा हो जा रहा, so जिससे that's it, सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद, सीखते रहो जीतने के लिए, जय हिंद।